Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR Sport. Moto Morini has made a bold statement in the sport motorcycle world with the introduction of the 2025 Seiemmezzo STR Sport. This latest model from the renowned Italian manufacturer combines striking design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, making it a standout in the highly competitive sport motorcycle segment. At the heart of the Moto Morini Seiemmezzo STR Sport is a robust 649 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, tuned to deliver impressive power and torque. Producing around 70 horsepower and 50 lb-ft of torque, this engine offers a dynamic and engaging riding experience, whether navigating city streets or carving through mountain roads. The Seiemmezzo STR Sports engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that ensures smooth and precise gear shifts, enhancing both performance and rideability. The 2025 Seiemmezzo STR Sport reflects Moto Morini's commitment to innovation and excellence in motorcycle design, said Alberto Mani, CEO of Moto Morini. This model is designed to provide an exhilarating riding experience while maintaining the quality and craftsmanship that Moto Morini is known for. Visually, the Seiemmezzo STR Sport is a masterpiece of Italian design. Its aggressive yet elegant lines, combined with premium materials and finishes, give the bike a distinctive and stylish appearance. The bike features a sleek LED headlight, a muscular fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section, all contributing to its sporty and modern look. The attention to detail is evident in every aspect of the bike, from its high-quality paintwork to its finely crafted components. Rider comfort and control are central to the Seiemmezzo STR Sport's design. The bike features a comfortable, ergonomically designed seat and adjustable handlebars, allowing riders to find their perfect riding position. The advanced suspension system, with adjustable front forks and rear monoshock, provides excellent handling and ride quality, ensuring stability and confidence in various riding conditions. The 2025 Seiemmezzo STR Sport is equipped with a host of advanced technologies aimed at enhancing the riding experience. The bike features a full-color TFT display that provides essential ride information at a glance, including speed, gear position, and navigation. Additionally, the Seiemmezzo STR Sport comes with multiple riding modes, traction control, and ABS, allowing riders to tailor the bike's performance to their preferences and road conditions. Industry experts have praised the Seiemmezzo STR Sport for its blend of performance, technology, and design. The Seiemmezzo STR Sport is a remarkable addition to Moto Morini's lineup, remarked motorcycle journalist Lisa Chen. Its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and stunning design make it a compelling choice for sport motorcycle enthusiasts. Enthusiasts around the globe eagerly await the arrival of the Moto Morini 2025 Seiemmezzo STR Sport at dealerships, anticipating the opportunity to experience its exceptional performance and Italian craftsmanship firsthand. With its combination of innovative technology, stylish design, and thrilling performance, the Seiemmezzo STR Sport reaffirms Moto Morini's position as a leader in the sport motorcycle market.